Jai Hind, dear students. From our previous working, we conclude that to draw a quadrilateral, we used 5 measurements in our work. Okay, so is it true in every case? Let us check for some special quadrilateral. So here is the first question from exercise 4.5. We have to draw a square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. Okay, so in this example we thought that we have only one side is given, not all the 5 things. Okay, but this is the case of a square, so ultimately we have uh, we are able to find out so many things in that. Means all the 4 sides we are having, that is 5.1 centimeter, and each interior angle is 90 degree also. So we all 4 sides known and all 4 angles are knowing here. In this case, first we draw a rough figure. It is square READ. So we draw a square. This is R, E, A and D. Okay, and interior angle, as we know, this is 90 degree and each side is 5.1 centimeter. Okay, this is also 5.1, this is also 5.1, and all the 4 sides are 5.1. So how to construct this square? For that, first we have to draw a base. We should take any base because on each base we know the angles are 90 degree. So suppose we are going to draw a base, that is DA is 5.1 centimeter. Here DA is equal to 5.1 centimeter is drawn. Then after that, this is 5.1 centimeter DA. Okay, after this we are going to draw angles at D and A, that is 90 degree, as we all know. So from A as a center we draw an arc like this way. Okay, then without changing the radius of that, from this point draw an arc which cuts here, and from this point again an arc that is 120 degree, and one arc drawn upside from the same point, and from here also this. So this point is 90 degree, make it a little bit impressive, and then join these points, and this point draw a ray. Okay, so after that this is 90 degree, as we know. Now what next we have to do? We just measure it, because all sides are 5.1 centimeter. We measure this distance, take this much radius in the compass. Now from this point we draw an arc which intersects somewhere like this point. Okay, from here also we can draw one arc this way, and one arc from D also. Okay, it is not mandatory that you have to draw 90 degree again at D, since we get one angle is equal to 90 degree and all sides are equal, so it must be a, from here also this length is 5.1, so it shows that it is a parallelogram having 90 degree, or it is a square. Okay, this angle is also 90 degree. So just join all the points, make it impressive. Okay, just join it. After joining all the points, okay, we'll get a square. Name it R, E, A and D. So READ is a required square. So students, the same way you have to construct another special quadrilaterals like rhombus. So you should know the properties of rhombus and rectangle. All the properties are rectangle also you have to know. Then you are easily able to draw all these special cases. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye students.